Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the settings for VividPixel on Asus TUF Gaming screen. And this technology helps you to enhance image outlines and reduce noise bars for a crystal clear and detailed oriented viewing, and you can read it on the Asus website. Now, to actually change the options for it, we'll need to click on the joystick button on the back of your screen, open a menu by clicking on it again, and then scroll down for the image. Now go to your right and scroll down for VividPixel, go to your right again, and you'll be able to adjust it using this slider. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.